Your MCP server works flawlessly in development, but getting that exact environment, Python version, project root, dependencies, and environment variables, into an MCP client like Claude Desktop or Cursor means manually writing JSON that might still fail in their isolated execution contexts. We'll use FastMCP install MCP JSON to generate complete MCP client configuration that explicitly declares the Python version, project directory, and all dependencies, either via, with flags, or with requirements. You'll see how this creates a portable JSON specification that works in environments with no shell access, where every dependency and variable must be pre-declared, and where UV is the only guaranteed runtime. The output integrates directly with MCP clients, MCP servers configuration, ensuring your server launches identically whether in VS Code, Claude Desktop, or a CI pipeline.
Use specific Python version. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Python 3.11. Run within a project directory. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Project path to project.
This demonstrates the MCP client integration pattern, where server execution requirements are formalized into standardized JSON configuration for isolated client environments. The FastMCP install MCP JSON command generates portable, explicit declarations of Python version, project context, dependencies, and environment variables, all requirements that MCP clients like Claude Desktop and Cursor need to launch servers in their sandboxed execution environments. Unlike traditional deployment configurations, this output serves as an interface specification rather than executable code, ensuring consistent behavior across different client implementations. The pattern enforces complete isolation by requiring explicit declaration of all runtime needs. Python versions are pinned via Python, project directories anchored with project, dependencies specified through with editable, or with requirements, and environment variables either passed directly or loaded from env files. The generated configuration always uses absolute paths and assumes UV as the execution runtime, since client environments lack shell access and must resolve all requirements from the configuration alone. This design prevents implicit assumptions about the host system while maintaining compatibility with MCP's STDIO transport protocol. This approach solves the works on my machine problem for MCP integrations by making all execution requirements manifest and portable. The trade-off of maintaining configuration files becomes necessary when working with isolated clients that cannot inherit environment settings. The pattern is essential for CI/CD pipelines, team environments, or when integrating with multiple MCP tools that expect standardized server declarations, particularly when using clients like Claude Desktop or Cursor that require complete self-contained configurations. Let's break it down line by line.
Use specific Python version. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. Python 3.11.
This generates MCP client configuration, JSON, for manual integration with tools like Claude Desktop or Cursor, explicitly targeting Python 3.11 to ensure environment consistency. The Python flag pins the interpreter version, while with requirements lets you bundle dependencies, critical since isolated environments like Claude Desktop have no shell access for pip installs. Always install UV first in these environments, as FastMCP requires it for dependency resolution. Environment variables can come from env files or explicit env flags, but must be declared for the client to access them. This creates portable, declarative configuration that never executes code, just specifies the interface for STDIO-based tool integration.
Run within a project directory. FastMCP install MCP JSON server. High project path to project.
Generates MCP client configuration JSON for tools like Claude Desktop or Cursor, using the specified project directory as the root for all relative paths and virtual environment creation. The project flag enforces complete isolation with explicit dependency management via with requirements, while environment variables must be declared in code or loaded from env files, since client integrations run in isolated contexts with no shell access. Requires UV for dependency resolution in these isolated environments, and all dependencies must be explicitly specified, either through with editable flags or directly in your server code. This creates portable, declarative configuration that defines the interface specification without executing the server. MCP Client Configuration Bridge. The FastMCP install MCP JSON command generates standardized JSON configurations that enable MCP clients, Claude Desktop, Cursor, etc., to interface with your Python server, while FastMCP Dev handles local development. Both share identical flags but target different execution contexts. All dependencies must be explicitly declared via with editable, or with requirements, as isolated MCP environments have no access to your local Python installation or shell environment. The project flag anchors path resolution and virtual environment discovery, while Python pins the runtime version, and environment variables must be either passed directly or loaded from env files. Claude Desktop's isolation demands globally installed UV for dependency resolution.
The interface that executes nothing defines everything.